I'm Deborah Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. You can find these videos weekly on our YouTube channel. Become a subscriber. It doesn't cost you anything. Like our news, it's free, but it costs money to create. So visit our Patreon page and help us keep the news flowing. Hey, we're only 4 weeks away from our Green Market Summit in Chicago on May 7th. Tickets are on sale now. Okay, on to the news. The biggest news this week was the announcement that Cresco Labs is acquiring Origin House, formerly known as Canna Royalty, in a $1.1 billion deal. Now, this combined company would make Cresco one of the largest multi-state operators in the U.S. They will be in 11 states with 23 facilities and licenses to operate 51 dispensaries. Their brands will eventually be sold in over 725 dispensaries across the country. Aurora Cannabis filed a prospectus to raise $750 million, although the company stressed, they weren't immediately going to tap into that money. Earnings season is definitely upon us. We have a lot to go through. iAnthus delivered fourth quarter revenue of $2.2 million. Now, the pro forma was $14.8 million, and the net loss was $15.9 million. For the full year, the pro forma revenue was $49.3 million, and the full year net loss was $62 million. Grow Generation reported revenue of $29 million. That was an increase of 102% over last year, but the net loss was $5 million. Now, the company's same-store sales increased 12.4% in the fourth quarter. MediPharm Labs reported that their fourth quarter revenue was 10.2 million Canadian dollars. Now, those numbers began on November 12th, which was when they got their sales license from Health Canada. That's also the same amount for the full year revenue, but the net loss for the full year was 8.5 million Canadian dollars. Nutritional High reported revenue of $6.1 million for the second quarter, but a net loss of $6.8 million. 1933 Industries delivered revenue of $3.7 million for the second quarter, with a net loss of $2.9 million. Vertical companies raised a whopping $58 million in a Series A round. Wow, we have a couple of new stocks to talk about this week. Ionic Brands began trading on the CSE using the symbol IONC, and Vibe Biosciences also began trading on the CSE using the symbol VIBE. And that's it for this week. I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report from Times Square.